Today started off well with some acai and bird watching in the park.
Look at them. Getting some little snacks.
I then went to a mall which was so large and pretty, and I tried on a bunch of hats. The Australia sun is no joke, and I was doing a coastal walk today, so I figured it was about time to get one. Please note that this is a long video today, but I honestly couldn't capture the magic of the day with anything shorter, so I hope you just relax and enjoy the views just like I did. I was doing the iconic Bondi Beach to Coogee Beach walk, which is about 6 kilometers or 3.7 miles long.
Starting my Bondi to Coogee walk. She's lovely. And we got Miss Bondi herself. Let's go.
Just kidding, this wasn't Miss Bondi, but it was a famous champion surfer, Pauline Mensker. I passed this icon and then immediately saw another, the seaside pool at the Bondi Icebergs Club. The rocks along this path were honestly so incredible, and I still am not over them.
We got dancing ants. And over here, have a grab.
After that little laugh, I took a picture in my new hat, isn't she cute? And then continued along. Up next, I watched the surfers at Bondi Beach, and then even saw a couple guys catch a fish.
Just caught a fish. Crazy.
I grabbed some lunch and the best cookie ever, and enjoyed it with my usual bird company.
Hello.
After that, I got back on the trail. I saw another seaside pool and these massive snake plants. Afterwards, I went to the Waverly Cemetery, and you guys, the whole area around this place was just so still and chilling, but in a good way. I saw some fish on land, and then walked by Coogee Beach. Now, I want you to get the vibes of the last bit of the walk, so I'm just going to be quiet and put the names of the things I passed on the screen.
Just needed to stop and take a little video because, again, this is just one of those moments where I'm like, is Australia even real? Like, how is this real life?
This walk was honestly one of the highlights from my trip so far, and I had to keep the party going by heading to Fishbowl, which is a healthier Chipotle-style fast food chain. And of course, because I'm in Australia, I had to find a nice place to eat to end my night.
My food is fire, but I just wanted you to enjoy this moment with me. All right, the birds have quieted down a little bit. getting dark and gotta finish my cookie.